Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there are some new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we will check out those updates. Now starting off with the first update that is available in the Galaxy Store app. For that you will have to simply open your Galaxy Store app, and now you just have to simply tap on this menu option over here. And after tapping on menu option, you will have to tap on updates, and you will get to see that there are multiple new updates available. So there are multiple new app updates available, but the most important ones are Samsung Health, Good Lock and Registrar. So Samsung Health has added some new features like mindfulness has been now newly added to the Samsung Health. You can now record your mood and relax your mind with breathing, exercise and medication. Next up, a new update is available with the Good Lock with a refreshed UI design for more experience and more detailed categories for the better organization of the Good Lock apps. You can also now mark your favorite app for the quick access. And some new widgets and quick launch features are added. And if we talk about the Registrar update, so this update is compatible with the One UI 7. So if your device is on the One UI 7 or One UI 7 beta, so then this update will be for you. There are some new improvements like voice recording operation error improvement, and some other bug fixes are now introduced with this new update. You can update a single app or you can update them all by simply tapping on that update all option. Now let's move on to the next update that is available in the settings. You will have to go into the about phone, then you have to tap on software information, and then you have to tap on Google Play system update. So there's a new update available of the January 1st 2025 that you can update it directly from here. The update might be already installed and you will have to restart your device. You will get the option of restart now. Or you might get to see a page like this in which you will have the update size of 74 MBs with the latest security update from the Google. And if you talk about the One UI 7, so the One UI 7 is now delayed as you will get to see a new beta version. And after the beta version, you will get to see the official stable update. And if we talk about the release date, so the release date will be now delayed and there is no official release date yet. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys can check out. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new updates.